Discover the first system in olfactory marketing that purifies the air, combating viruses and bacteria. The new Desv Ventilador Ecologic by Innovaciones. A next-generation liquid and air mixing system using the amber control product, eliminating viruses and bacteria. Decontaminating the air and the surfaces indoors, suitable for hotels, restaurants, health and care facilities. Amber control acts 24 hours a day, 365 days a year in enclosed spaces of up to 1,000 square meters, decontaminating the air with 70% hydroalcoholic solution, in accordance with WHO recommendations. How does it work? The new Desv Ventilador Ecologic with built-in fan cleans and purifies the air from viruses and bacteria. The decontaminating process occurs inside the device. The fan collects the air which passes through the inner tank where it mixes with the amber control liquid sprayed by the integrated pump. At the end of the process, the residues remain precipitated in the storage tank, and the air flows back to the ambience. The air in the treated area is purified, deodorized, decontaminated, aromatized and particle-free, giving the product a competitive advantage over standard scent marketing nebulizers. Exclusive olfactory marketing fragrances. Amber Control is available with a wide range of exclusive, natural, biodegradable, and elegant fragrances that can be customized to suit your business. Without using petroleum derivative alcohol or synthetic compounds, the system avoids the risk of contamination, propagation, and airborne transmission of viruses and bacteria. Other benefits. Provisioned through application and controlled via online platform, saves time and travel costs. Another advantage is to extend the refilling intervals by attaching an external canister that acts when the first one runs out. It is also certified by prestigious laboratories and institutes. Find out more at soloinnovaciones.com.